Do you need a good idea for your next party? I want to show you a little twist on the meatball slider. Super Bowl Sunday is coming up and I can't wait to share this with my friends. I assure you, your guests are going to love it. Cut the crust off of 3 slices of bread. Save the crust and make croutons or breadcrumbs for something else. Cut your bread into small pieces and place it into a bowl. Add milk and Worcestershire sauce. That's so hard. Dang it. Salt, Italian seasoning, black pepper, diced onions, chopped parsley, garlic cloves, grated parmesan, and 1 large egg. Let that absorb for about 5 minutes and then mash it up the best you can with whatever device you have in the kitchen that will do the trick. Add 1 1/4 pound of ground beef and 1 pound of Italian sausage. You can also use just ground pork, which is what I wanted to use, but the store was out, so this is what I have. There's seasoning in this already, so you're going to need to adjust your seasoning according to which meat you choose. Give it a good mix, but don't overmix because that's when you end up with tough meatballs. There's no better tools in the kitchen than your hands, so that's what I choose to use. You're going to want to scoop these out. I use an ice cream scoop. You can use just a spoon. Try to get them meatballs, pretty close in size. And don't overwork the meat mixture here either. Just kind of pat it and roll it in your hands and place them on a pan. Preheat your pan to a medium heat. I had mine a little high, I think, but that's okay. Put them in the pan and start sauteing. You want to keep a close eye on them as they tend to brown a little quickly, especially if you have your heat up too high. Turn your balls every few minutes to get a nice color on each side. You want a safe internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit. The meatballs are completed. There's 28. So we're gonna taste a meatball. They're really, really juicy looking. Okay, these are perfect. I questioned whether I should use the Italian sausage or just ground pork. You can go either way. I like the Italian sausage. If you're gonna go with just ground pork, you might wanna ramp up your spices a little bit. This is perfectly flavored. You want to create a nice pocket in each dinner roll for your meatball to sit inside. Add these little pieces to your crouton pile. Lightly coat your meatballs with marinara sauce. I just used the stuff from a jar. Add a little garlic powder to some melted butter and stir. Brush generously all over the top of the bread. Pop a ball into each hole and top with a spoonful of marinara sauce and mozzarella cheese. Time to put these babies into a preheated 350-degree oven for 12 to 15 minutes. Top with parsley and you have the perfect party snack. Enjoy. Let me know if you make it. Don't forget, the recipe is always in the description.